Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome to another video of our What's for Dinner. So as per usual, we're just digging through the freezer, looking for all those odds and ends, trying to use it up. So we've got the Korean spicy ball, chicken balls that are here. We are digging through for some fish. I do have some chips here, but I'm going to save them because they're a valuable commodity right now. Or frozen sausages. I'll use those another time. And trying to get this fish out without everything dominoing out as well. And we'll cook all that and Kira will have a pasty for dinner with everything else we have. The next night we've just got spaghetti bolognese from the big batch we cooked in the last video, some spiral pasta, and we had some bread rolls marked down that I just put normal butter in. I didn't make garlic bread this time. The next night we've had chicken risotto, and you can check out the video of the cook with me and make it along. Let me know if you do make it and what you thought of it. You can flavour it with salt, pepper, etc. as you want. We're just pretty basic with our flavours, so how I cook it is what I show you in the video. If you change it up, let me know. The next night we have got a chicken curry that came from my mum's house, leftovers, so takeaway, and they made us some Scotch fillet eggs. So I just got some extra chicken and I cooked that up and I added it to it. So quick and easy dinner. We're going through another dig through the freezer, and I bought this sausage roll marked down at the shops. I didn't read it at all, and it's like a cheese and spinach. I don't really think my son's going to eat that, so we'll just file that away for another meal, and we'll dig out some pasties for Kira and Scott, and I think hubby and I are going to have some pies or whatever other bits and pieces we find. We've got a cauliflower bake here that I got from Aldi, and we're going to have that. Kira and I are the only ones that eat it, so it will stretch out for quite a few side servings. You can see here individually each bit is covered in the cheese sauce. So we've got the massive pieces here and the little ones, so I'm just cooking the smaller pieces there. And we've got the chips. Hooray, we have frozen chips. Go to Aldi, they have frozen chips. Hubby is going to finish off the sweet chili tender chips. That's here. And I've got the chicken nuggets also for Scott. Oh, I got these pies from Aldi as well. They look like a dupe for the Herbert Adams, which is really good. And what else do we find in here? There's a treasure trove in here. Yeah, so just one, I'll put the other one back. And whatever else I can find for myself to eat. Oh yes, got fish. That will be a good choice. Here's the leftover of the pineapple sweet and sour sauce that we had from last video. I had it in the freezer, so I've pulled it out because really only half a jar does us for the chicken. And we've just had that. We cut up chicken breast and rice. A family favorite, quick and easy. Thanks so much for joining with me today, guys. I really appreciate your time, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.